Hello, welcome to Beyond One Way, a place where you can find multiple recipes using one food product. Today, I want to share with you my potsticker recipe using a store-bought rotisserie chicken. Check my other videos or go to my website on making Asian dishes using rotisserie chicken. Here I have 1 cup minced chicken and 2 cups finely chopped Napa cabbage. The chicken has enough saltiness, so I just need to add flavors to my potsticker filling by using a half tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon 5-spice powder, a half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons water, 24 dumpling wrappers, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup water to pan fry the potstickers. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. The amount of sauce here may look little to you, but with its strong flavor, this amount is perfect for my potsticker film. A dumpling wrapper has a smooth and a floury side. Be sure to put the filling on the smooth side. This will make wrapping and sealing the potstickers easier. My potstickers are rectangular shapes with flat bottoms. They are simple looking, not fancy at all, but the way I wrap them is easy, fast, and works for me, especially when I pan fry them. Here's how I wrap potstickers. A small teaspoonful of filling. Seal the top edges with water. Leave both ends open. Tap the bottom gently to form a rectangle shape. Seal the open ends by firmly pressing down with my fingers. You can make about 24 potstickers with this recipe. Turn the stove on medium and place vegetable oil in a non-stick frying pan. Place the potstickers inside the frying pan. They can be close to each other, but don't crowd the pan. Get a lid and place the lid opening away from you. This will protect you from the oil in case it splatters when you pour the water into the pan. Cover the frying pan with a lid for 7 minutes. Do not open the lid too early so you don't lose the steam that's cooking the potstickers. Potstickers are ready to eat when they are golden brown on the bottom like this. A typical potsticker dipping sauce on the right is normally made with sesame oil, soy sauce, finely sliced ginger, and black Chinese vinegar. But you know what? The left sauce is made from sesame oil, soy sauce, ginger, and balsamic vinegar. It tastes like the typical potsticker dipping sauce too. Just a little tip for you. These potstickers are soft and crispy. Happy eating! If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.